Welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. Let's create this cool typography effect. Add a solid black color in the background. Go to Type tool, change its color to white, and font will be Gotham Black, and type your text. Let's center align the text. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Select the top layer fill will be 0 and go to FX and stroke size 5, position outside, color white. Press and hold Ctrl and use page up arrow key. Duplicate the Krishna 1 copy layer by pressing Ctrl+J and now use down arrow key with pressing Ctrl. Select both copy layer and press Ctrl+G to group it. Drag the Krishna layer on the top and select the group 1 and click on layer mask icon. Select the brush, choose soft brush, and make sure foreground color will be black. And drag like this for effect. Duplicate the group 1, select the bottom layer of group 1, open the group, select Krishna 1 copy layer and drag it down. Select the Krishna 1 layer and drag it up. Select the group 1, go to brush, and drag like this for effect. Select the both group and press Ctrl+G to group and go to FX and gradient overlay. Choose any gradient of your choice. Now you have a beautiful typography effect. See you soon with another cool tutorial.